Good morning friends. Today I am going to discuss about transport of oxygen. In my last video I have discussed about the exchange of gases, especially carbon dioxide and oxygen. I told you the oxygen from air enters into alveoli of lungs and then reaches to different tissues of the body by the process of diffusion. Here I am going to talk about the transport of oxygen. So, molecular oxygen diffuses into blood of alveolar capillaries and gets transported to tissues. The oxygen transported through two medium, that is one by plasma and other by combination with hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the respiratory pigment which carry oxygen in the RBC. So oxygen diffuses, but plasma has very poor capacity to carry oxygen. So most of the oxygen is carried by hemoglobin, forming oxyhemoglobin. So here then oxygen is transported by blood in two ways, that is one in plasma and second one is in hemoglobin. It is designated as HP. So first dissolve in oxygen, dissolve in plasma. So first dissolve in plasma, oxygen is relatively insoluble in plasma, so only oxygen is relatively insoluble in plasma. Therefore only 3% of total oxygen or 3% of oxygen is transported by plasma. Next 97% which is carried by hemoglobin by forming oxyhemoglobin. Second one is combined with hemoglobin. So combined with hemoglobin, while remaining 97% is of oxygen is transported by hemoglobin in the form of oxyhemoglobin. It is Hb4O8. So this is the symbol of oxyhemoglobin. Basically oxygen is transported in erythrocyte or carbon red blood corpuscles by a respiratory pigment, that is hemoglobin, which has the high capacity to combine with the oxygen and carrying it to different tissues. This oxyhemoglobin forms oxygen dissociation curve. Uh, Friends, I have discussed this chapter from your 11th class NCERT book. You can also refer it. Thank you friends for watching. In my next video, I will discuss about the oxygen dissociation curve. Bye. This is all about transport of oxygen.